Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.2.47 Input Finish Kick Front to Back Sheet Price. Part of the identification of a piece of material are the location and/or position the item has on a fixture or component. For this example, location is kick, position is front to back. The fixture kick is a specialized part with a very limited exposure. Generally, the kick has recessed vertical faces with limited visibility in areas where customers have access to merchandise. The vertical kick faces are identified in this application as either front to back or left to right. Front to back refers to either the left or right sides of the kick. Left to right refers to the front or back surfaces of the kick. A kick is usually a part of or secured to the base component. Often a kick is fabricated separately from the base. A kick makes the fixture installation simpler. Finish is a final coating or solid material on a component or part. On the Tables, Definitions, and Abbreviations sheet, Table 17, diagram of the cost workup sheet, demonstrates the structure. Row 811 is FINISH SPRT KICK FTB SHEET, which is Finish Substrate Kick Front to Back Sheet. Enter $2.95 per square foot for metal laminate in cell T811. When the price is entered in cell T811, the total material cost, $2.92 for that piece of material, is calculated in cell X811. After entering the price, return to the instruction sheet by selecting the tab to the left along the bottom of the window. This example 2.2.47 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.2.48.